Good morning, students. Today we will see the complete underwriting, or sorry, partial underwriting with the firm underwriting. Yesterday we saw the partial underwriting with the firm underwriting. Today, partial underwriting with the firm underwriting. So, 4 steps are there in this underwriting chapter. One is the complete underwriting without what firm underwriting, and the complete underwriting with firm underwriting, and also partial underwriting without firm underwriting and with the firm underwriting. So we will see what is a partial underwriting with the firm underwriting, or how it is to be we are calculating. So partial underwriting with a firm underwriting. So what is that? In this case, they calculate the net liability of each underwriter in the usual manner and thereafter add the firm underwriting to get the total liability. So usual manner, rather gross liability less marked application. Then after that, if there is anything is there, means the firm underwriting is there, then that is to be added up, isn't it? So add the firm underwriting to finally got the total liability or the net liability, exact liability. So in this case, this is the format for calculation. That is, firstly, as it is the gross liability to be deducted from this, the marked application, and then we will get the, along with that, add the firm underwriting, and we will add up this one, and that is the total liability. So we will do one problem. X Limited issued 1 lakh equity shares of ₹10 each. So 1 lakh at the rate of ₹10. Rajiv underwrites 80% of the total issue with the firm underwriting for 10,000. 10,000 share firm underwriting, baki 80% of 1 lakh. 80,000. Then marked application was 60,000. Find out the liability of the underwriter and also the maximum commission payable to the underwriter. So we will do it now. So gross liability, how much? 80%, isn't it? So 1 lakh into 80%, 80,000. Clear? Then what is that? Less marked application. 60,000. So 20,000. Then what need to be added? Firm underwriting need to add 10,000. That is already given in the question. So the net liability is 30,000. Or the total liability is 30,000. So 80,000 is the total share. 60,000 is the total gross liability. 60,000 is the marked application, and from that we need to add up the firm underwriting 10,000. So total net liability is 30,000. Then the commission payable, how it is to be calculated? The commission payable, what is there? 1 lakh equity shares of ₹10 each, and Rajiv underwrites 80% of the total issue. And the firm underwriting for 10,000 shares. So 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh, isn't it? So 80,000 into 100, 80,000 into 10, that is 8 lakh. 8 lakh plus this 1 lakh, 9 lakh. 9 lakh in there, how it is to be calculated? 9 lakh in there, 5 by 100. 5 by 100. So in this question, there is some error also, like there is no commission rate is to be mentioned. Actually, the commission rate is 5%. Isn't it? So the commission rate is 5%, and that is not mentioned in the question. So 8 lakh, 80,000 into 10, that is 8 lakh, and 10,000 shares of firm underwriting. Total, how much? 90,000 into 10. That is 9 lakh. 9 lakh in the 5% commission payable. So that is the case. See, the commission payable 9 lakh into 5%, that is 45,000. So students, we will do this problem also. When the entire issue is underwritten by one underwriter, വേറൊരു ടൈപ്പിലുള്ളതാണ് എന്നുള്ളതേ ഉള്ളൂ. അപ്പൊ ആക്ച്വലി 4 ഇതാണുള്ളത്. ഒന്ന്, കംപ്ലീറ്റ് അണ്ടർറൈറ്റൺ വിത്തൗട്ട് ഫേം അണ്ടർറൈറ്റിംഗ്. 2, കംപ്ലീറ്റ് അണ്ടർറൈറ്റിംഗ് വിത്ത് ഫേം അണ്ടർറൈറ്റിംഗ്. 3, partial underwriting without firm underwriting. And 4th one is partial underwriting with firm underwriting. ഇതിനകത്ത് നമുക്ക് വ്യത്യസ്തമായിട്ട് when the entire issue is underwritten, മൊത്തം ഇതായിട്ടുള്ള ഇഷ്യൂ underwritten by one underwriter, ഒരേ ഒരു അണ്ടർറൈറ്റർ വെച്ച് ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. അപ്പം ഇവിടെ നോക്കേണ്ട ഒരു കേസ്, ഇവിടെ ഒരു അണ്ടർറൈറ്റർ എന്നുള്ള ഒരു കമ്പനിയെ ആണ് ഇത് ഏൽപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കുക. A company issues 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Upon total 1 lakh. The issue was underwritten by K and Company for 2.5% commission. So the commission rate is 2.5%. See in the question, in the previous question, they are not mentioning because they forgot to add that one. It's a printing mistake. 5% is the commission, that one. Then the public applied for and received 8,000 shares. So out of the 10,000 share, 8,000 only having public subscription. So the balance 2,000 is for underwriting. So in that way, we need to pass the entry first. So firstly, what is the entry for that one? Bank account data to share application, then share application to share capital. അതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഒറ്റ എൻട്രി എഴുതുക. ബാങ്ക് അക്കൗണ്ട് data to equity share capital. എത്രയ്ക്കാണ്? 8,000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. So it is 80,000. Clear? How it is? Bank account data to equity share application to equity share capital. So equity share application to equity share capital. For that one entry is to be passed the bank account data to equity share application. 80,000. 8,000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. Then this is the subscription amount. So the public doesn't subscribe for 20,000 shares, 2,000 shares, because out of the 10,000, 8,000 only subscribed. So that 2,000 share, that is for whom? The underwriter. ഈ അണ്ടർറൈറ്റർക്കുള്ളതാണ് അത്. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോൾ അതിനുള്ള എൻട്രി what is that? K and company debtor to what is that? Equity share capital account. കാര്യം ബാക്കി ഇത് ഇത്ര എമൗണ്ട് 80,000 എമൗണ്ട് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബാക്കി എന്താണ്? ഇക്വിറ്റി ഷെയർ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ K and company debtor. അത് എത്രയാണ്? 2,000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 each, that is 20,000. 2,000 shares at the rate of rupees 20,000. ഇനി ഈ കമ്മീഷൻ ആർക്ക് പോകുന്നതാണ്? അണ്ടർറൈറ്റേഴ്സിന് കമ്മീഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. അണ്ടർറൈറ്റേഴ്സിന് എന്തുണ്ട്? കമ്മീഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. ആ അണ്ടർറൈറ്റേഴ്സിന്റെ കമ്മീഷൻ എന്താണ്? അണ്ടർറൈറ്റിംഗ് കമ്മീഷൻ. വേറെ ഒന്നുമില്ല, അണ്ടർറൈറ്റിംഗ് കമ്മീഷൻ. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ കിട്ടുന്ന എക്സ്പെൻസസ് അണ്ടർറൈറ്റിംഗ് കമ്മീഷൻ അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ to K and company, that is how much? 2,500. How it is to be? Total share is 10,000 into 2.5%. How much? 250 into 10, that is 2,500. Or you need to do in another way. 10,000 into 10, that is 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 2.5% 2,500. And the balance amount, who will get it? The K and company will get it in his account. അപ്പോൾ മൊത്തം 1 ലക്ഷത്തില് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 10,000-ത്തില് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 20,000-ത്തില് ഈ 20,000 അവർക്ക് ഇതായിട്ടുള്ളതുള്ളൂ. 80,000 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അത് കിട്ടിയതാണ്. Which one? Application money received through normal subscription, public subscription കൂടി കിട്ടിയതാണ്. ബാക്കി 20 ഉള്ളൂ. ആ 20ന്റെ 2,500 എന്താണ്? കമ്മീഷനാണ്. അപ്പൊ ബാക്കി എന്താണ്? അവർക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന പേയ്മെന്റ് ആണ്. സോ അതിനുള്ള എൻട്രി ബാങ്ക് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ to K and Company account. So it is 17,500. ഇതാണ് partial underwriting with the firm underwriting. Here firm underwriting also there. So with the commission അതാണ് നോക്കേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നോക്കുക, ഒന്ന് ഇത് എമൗണ്ട് കിട്ടിയത് bank on debtor to equity share capital 8,000 shares at the rate of ₹10 each. Then K and Company debtor to equity share capital 2,000 shares at the rate of ₹10 each. And then there is commission to the K and Company, underwriting commission account debtor 2,500 to K and Company. That is what, how it is to be 1 lakh share, 10,000 into 10, total 1 lakh share. Out of the 1 lakh share, 2.5% is the commission. So 2,500. And finally, bank on debtor to K and Company 17,500. That is what, which amount? 17,500, 20,000 minus 2,500. And if we are preparing the balance sheet of this, how it is to be, in the liability side there is total amount of the share. Liability side, asset side. Share capital 1 lakh. Here commission 2,500 and cash and other equivalents. How much? 1 lakh minus 2,500, 97,500. So it is 1 lakh. Clear? So this is the way in which we are doing the partial underwriting with the firm underwriting. We will do another problem also, and after that we will wind up the class. This module is also over.